In this episode, we shall discuss about the output devices of a computer system. Output device of computer systems. Output device is the component that conveys information from a computer to the user or the device. After processing of the data, the computer system provides information to output device. Monitor is one of the main output device of computer system. Now we shall know about different types of monitors. Number one, LCD, liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display uses liquid crystal and backlight to produce images. Then LED, light emitting diode. It is a type of LCD that uses LEDs for backlighting, offering better energy efficiency and thinner screens. Next one is OLED, organic light emitting diode. Organic light emitting diode provides better contrast and color accuracy as each pixel emits its own light. Next one is touchscreen monitors. Touchscreen monitor enables user interaction directly on the screen. Touchscreen monitor is not only an output device of a computer system, it also works as input device of computer system. Printer is another important output device of computer system. Now we shall discuss about different types of printers. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer uses liquid ink spread through tiny nozzles. Next one is laser printers. Laser printers use toner powder and laser technology to print high quality text and images. 3D printers. 3D printers creates three-dimensional objects by laying down successive layers of material. Then thermal printers. Thermal printers use a heat to transfer an image onto paper, often used for labels. Speakers and microphones are also an important output device for audio information transformation. Different types of speakers and microphones are available in current market, and day by day the technology is being changed. New speakers and microphones are being introduced to the customers. Number one, we shall discuss here wired speakers and headphones. Wired speakers or headphones usually connect through cables. It requires cables to connect. Then wireless speakers or headphones, it uses Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for connectivity, and this sort of a speaker or headphone does not need any wire. Projectors is another output device. DLP is a kind of projector, digital light processing. It uses digital micromirror device. LCD projectors use liquid crystal display technology. Then VR headsets, virtual reality headsets. Virtual reality headsets provide immersive visual and auditory experiences often used for gaming, training, and simulations. Next, haptic device. Haptic device provides tactile feedback to the user, commonly used in gaming controllers and virtual reality devices to simulate touch. Next one is plotters. Plotters are specialized printers used for printing vector graphics, commonly used in engineering, architecture, and design for detailed line art. Next output device is Braille display. It is very important device for visually impaired users. Braille display converts text on screen into Braille, allowing visually impaired users to read digital content through tactile feedback. Now we shall test our learning outcomes. Number one, which output device is used for large-scale presentation? Projector or monitor? Which one is used for large-scale presentation? Answer is A, Projector is used for large-scale presentation. Next question. Which output device provides tactile feedback? Printer or Braille Reader? Which one is correct answer? The device which provides tactile feedback. Answer B. Braille Reader provides tactile feedback. Next question. What is the main purpose of plotter in a computer system? Producing detailed graphics and drawing or generating light? Which one is correct answer? The main purpose of a plotter in a computer system to do what? Producing detailed graphics and drawing or generating light? The correct answer is A. Producing detailed graphics and drawing is the main purpose of plotter in a computer system. Next question. Which type of monitor is known for its deep blacks and vibrant colors due to organic compounds? LED or OLED? Which one is correct answer? Among these two types of monitors, which one is known for its deep blacks and vibrant colors due to organic compounds? Answer is B. OLED is known for its deep blacks and vibrant colors due to organic compounds. Next question. Which output device is specially designed for visually impaired users to read text? Option A, projector. Option B, Braille Reader. Which one is specially designed for visually impaired users to read text? Option A, projector. Option B, Braille Reader. The correct option is B. Braille Reader is specially designed for visually impaired users to read text. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.